Did you know in Python you can validate your email using regular expression easily? So let's get started. All you have to do is type backslash word character plus backslash w plus. This backslash word plus matches letters and numbers like this. If you look at cheat sheet, you're gonna find the backslash word character matches 0 to 9 and A to Z small and A to Z capital. So this matches all what we need to do and another characters. So this doesn't match dot. This matches the underscore. So it's okay. What we need to do is adding backslash dot, because the dot is a regular expression matches any character. So we need to type backslash dot to ignore the regular expression backslash dot, and to ignore the regular expression dot, and to make it as simple. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the group like this. Next, we need to match the at simple. So we're gonna type at plus to match one letter or more, and type at to make it matches at, and then we want to make it matches this .org. So we're gonna type backslash word character plus and dot backslash dot, okay, and to match backslash word character plus. So we have done. So by doing this, we made a regular expression to validate our emails, and as you can see, this doesn't validate anything another email. So as you can see, this is a valid email, and this is a valid email, and this is also a valid email, and this is a valid email. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.